So today's project isn't exactly welding related, but we're getting some stuff done around the farm, and part of that project was to get this driveway fixed back up. This driveway probably hasn't seen a car on it for 30 years. It's overgrown, it needs some help. So what we've done is we've come in, we sprayed it with glyphosate, and now we're gonna use the Lincoln Inferno to hopefully burn off all the dead stuff. After that, we'll drag it up a little bit and we'll have a driveway again, or at least that's the hope. The Inferno runs off propane. It should be perfect for this. I can just walk around with it and use it. So let's give it a shot and we'll see what happens. All right, now we're in business. All right, so at first glance, it looked like it worked pretty well. We're gonna go in, scrape it up a little bit. We'll see where we wind up. I think under all this stuff, there is gravel. Oh my gosh. Time to give the kids a rake and tell them to have some fun. Okay, I'm done. Done with that for today. Hey, we're back out here. It's the next day. As you could probably tell from the end of the last clip, using the rake or the hoe did not work. It was way harder than I thought it was gonna be, and I didn't feel like putting that much effort into this. We hooked the blade up to the tractor and just drug the blade across it a few times, and I gotta say, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. That tore up all the clumps of stuff, and we wound up with a bunch of just clumps of dirt like this, which I've chucked over on the edges, and we'll clean those up later. But that Lincoln torch, the Inferno, really made it easy. Once we burned all that stuff out, raking the blade across that stuff just tore it right all up out of the ground. So honestly, not too bad results for a day's work, day or two's worth of work. This did not look like a driveway at all before. It looked like a yard. It had been so grown over. So we got a driveway again. The Inferno really played a big part in that, and then just going over this with the blade once or twice to dig it up or to tear it up. So yeah, it looks really good, super happy. I gotta say that thing everybody says, hit like, hit subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more videos on welding as I learn how to weld, and just general farm projects that I work on around here. Anything I think might help people who like doing stuff for themselves and like making stuff better and making stuff nice. So we got a driveway, pretty happy about that, and I'll catch you later.